Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are on page 177, and our objective today is, today I will use my understanding of multiplication and division as inverse operations to find the unknown. Okay, so let's look at that again. Today I will use my understanding of multiplication and division as inverse operations to find the unknown. So today we're not learning something new. We're going to practice what we did yesterday. So our vocabulary is going to be the same. That explains to us what the inverse operation is and what the fact family and what an unknown number is. Okay, so again, friends, we're not learning anything new today. We're just going to continue to practice. So I'm going to get started right away then. Here is my first problem. And my first problem is a fact family. It says, find the unknown to complete the fact family. So remember, we talked about in a fact family, all the unknowns are going to be the same. So I don't need to solve for each one. I only need to solve for one, because once I have the unknown, they're all going to match. Okay, so I'm going to use this one to get started, and I'm going to say 5 times what equals 20. Well, if I knew my multiplication facts, I would already know the answer. If I don't know my multiplication facts very well, I need to do an array. So I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of what? How much is in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that 5 times 4 equals 20, which tells me that all of my unknowns in this fact family are going to be 4. Okay, let's look at another one of those. This one just says, use multiplication to find the unknown. What multiplication fact did you use to find the unknown? Okay, so I know the inverse operation tells me if it's starting with this number in multiplication, that's going to be my product. So I can say 4 times what is going to give me 16. So I still have the 16, I still have the 4, and the missing number is going to go right there. I could have also set it up like this, because remember in multiplication we can do that. It's not going to matter, it's the same idea. Okay, so 4 groups of what equals 16. So I'm going to do my array and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. So I have my 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. And how many is in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that 4 times 4 equals 16, which tells me my missing number must be a 4. And they said, what multiplication fact did you use to find the unknown? 4 times 4. Once we knew that 4 times 4 equals 16, we knew 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's try some of these together. We're on page 178. Page 178, and here's our first one, and it's a fact family. It says, find the unknown to complete the fact family. 6 times blank equals 18, blank times 6 equals 18, 18 divided by blank equals 6, and 18 divided by 6 equals blank. Remember what we talked about, that in the multiplication, the larger number is going to be your product, and in division, your larger number is going to be in the front. It's something we call a dividend. Okay, so I think that this is the easiest one to use to help us find it. So 6 times what equals 18? Well, again, if you know your multiplication tables, you already have the answer. You could just say 6 times blah, 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 blah equals 18. If you don't know them, then let's just do an array. So let's do our 6 groups, or our 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. And how many is in each group? 1, 2, 3. So my missing number for this fact is 3, which means my missing number for every fact in that fact family is 3. Okay, let's look at our next one. This one says use multiplication to find the unknown. So 8 equals 48 divided by unknown. Okay, they put the answer here first instead of writing it like this. I think I like it, oops, sorry friends. I think I like it written like that better, but it doesn't matter. It's the same idea. Okay, so we know that in division, this is going to be our larger number, but I know in multiplication, it's going to be my smaller number. I'm sorry, my product. So I'm going to say 8 times what equals 48, because I need to have this as my product. So 8 times what equals 48. So if you know it, great. If you don't, let's make an array. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay, I got to 48, and here's my 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many is in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that 8 times 6 equals 48, which then tells me that 48 divided by 6 equals 8. And they said, what multiplication fact did you use to find the unknown? Knowing 8 times 6 helped me. And even if I didn't know it by memory, I knew how to find it with an array. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, have a great day practicing. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.